This video is here to help you navigate the course and showing you where to find everything. You have a start here. I have a video, hello and welcome. This video right here tells you a little bit about me. I made a video telling you about myself, how the course is, and what to expect. I also have a Word document telling you a little bit about myself as well. But I think the video does a better explanation. Below that, you will see this video on how to navigate the course. So let's go through where to find everything. So we have a start here. This is where you get to meet me. Then we go into this is your overall university resources, technical support, vendor privacy statements, computer skills, digital information literacy skills, all the accessibility, academic support services, student services and resources, and vendor accessibility statements. And then different, like if you're having trouble using Canvas, here's different tips and helpful different things to help you. Then you'll see the syllabus. The syllabus is located right here. If you go into it, this will also have all the information for the course. It has my name, all the information, meeting information, everything's loaded through Canvas and all my requirements. You can also see the required textbook, course learning outcomes. What you're really looking for here is the grades. So you have 3 exams and then you have quizzes. Chapter quizzes are 25% and 3 exams are 25% of your grade. This is what letter grade you will earn. And then feedback and expectations. And then here's your schedule. Now, let's go back and you can see I also have the schedule located here, the due dates. If you click on this, you can see that we have all the due dates. If you just want to print that out and keep it with you, that way you can see when everything is going to be due. And then I have the class broken down into chapters. Now, there's also a lot of things before you get to the chapters. There's your due dates, and then you have lockdown browser instructions. You're going to need this for exams. And then these recordings I have left there from Professor Sundar. He's given some of his lectures. If you choose, you can go ahead and look at those. He explains some things, and then he has Excels to help go with that. So he'll have Excels and how to use them. I am still building up my library, so went ahead and added these. If you have questions, I can help you with them and even make videos to help you understand them. First thing off bat is your exams, and you have your due dates for your exams, how-to videos for using Excel and finance, practice problems and solutions, and then PowerPoints. So the PowerPoints and everything I have, and then we have formula sheets that you can use for your exams and for different things for your exams. And then we have all the PowerPoints, which I have, and this is going to be cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to be getting rid of all the PowerPoints that you don't need. And I'm breaking it down. And then you have your financial calculators and how to use them. And then I have broken down the class into chapters. So what I have done is given you overall lectures. You have the PowerPoint of the class, then you have an overall lecture for me right here. And this is how you'll access my lectures. And then I have broken down my lectures into a podcast. If you're unable to watch the lecture, you can always listen to the podcast that will go over the main topics. And then there's a bunch of different forms here to help you better understand a lot of the topics in the class. So there's the topics overview, chapter 1 overview, the topics, financial crisis, different things to help you better understand what we're going to be covering in chapter 1. And then you have chapter 1 quiz. And we'll have that up. And then you'll see also chapter 2 is the same way, chapter 3 is the same way. And these dates will be updated. So chapter 2 quiz update will be there. Chapter 1 and all its resources, chapter 2 and all the resources, chapter 3 and all the resources, chapter 4, chapter 5, and so forth and so on. So all these will be broken down into that way. You have an exercise and valuation, valuing bonds, and then I will also be posting different as I post different tools for you to use that I believe that you may need for each chapter. I will also be posting them in the announcement. So please make sure you pay attention to the announcements. And the announcements, I will be posting all the things that you may need and letting you know. And then I will also be posting it and posting those things that you may need in the announcements, and also be adding videos in the announcements that you may need. Okay. So if you have any questions or anything like that, make sure you reach out to me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. This video is just to help you look at the class, see how everything is formatted, and then where you can access everything. Okay. Any questions or concerns, please make sure to reach out to me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.